You are going to love the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, remote engine start, backup camera, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.